Good morning all. I hope all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, My English Journey. I want to share about board beans. Yes. Do you know board beans? I show you. This is board beans. Board beans are green vegetables. You look it. They are also called fava beans. Fava beans. Board beans are healthy. They give us energy. I'm sharing about benefits of board beans. Benefits of board beans. Board beans are rich in protein. They are good for digestion. They help keep our body strong. Board beans are healthy. I like to board beans. Board beans are green in color. Look it. They are good for our health. Vegetables make our body strong. Eat healthy food. Add vegetables to your diet. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget support, like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.